My dear viewers, my greetings and also my wishes to all of you watching my channel, that is Jacinta Spoken English channel, with many videos and few shorts. Everything helps us for an excellent day-to-day dialogue. If you watch these videos, listen to them because listening is the first skill for speaking. In the language skills, among the language skills, listening is the first step. When you go on listening, don't leave them simply. Some of the sentences you can use very often. So when there is a chance to talk, when there is a chance for a discussion in English, feel free to talk. You need not plan for anything. Whatever you listen in these videos, you can talk again and again very freely, without planning, without thinking. Only free words and sentences used can develop your day-to-day dialogue. Don't plan and don't think much. Start speaking without thinking. Very freely talk about what you see, what you do, what can be done. Even the future things can be spoken. What was over in the past can be spoken. What goes on around you can be spoken. Can be used with simple words and phrases. When there is a chance for a discussion with your friend, feel free to ask some questions. Questions are also very important. Questions, you must be able to ask questions very freely with the question words like what are you doing here? And then when, about the timings. When did you come here? Or when are you leaving for Chennai? When is your trip to Bombay? Or when is your next tour program? What about your tour program? You can ask. Then you can even ask what work can be done this evening, or what plan can we do for the holidays? What is the plan for the holidays? Or what plan can we have? For all these we will get some answers now. What are you doing means simple answer, I'm watching TV. What did you have for breakfast? I had butter and jam. And bread also. No, bread with butter and jam. That was my breakfast today. Why? What is the reason? No cooking at home? Don't you have cooking at home today? Yes, my mother was very sick. This morning she was not able to get up and do any work. That is why all of us had our breakfast with bread and butter and jam. Like this we can have many bits of conversation, even with many question words like what, WH questions, no? What, when, where, which, who, whom, all these, how are you is a very commonly asked question. I'm well, I'm quite okay, everything goes on well. Then what is your plan for tomorrow? Tomorrow being a holiday, what are you going to do? We have to give some matter. I'm going to visit my grandmother. That may be the answer. So when will you go? That is about the timing. I may be leaving in the afternoon. After my lunch, I may be going to visit my grandmother. So in this way, we can have many questions and answers freely without thinking much. Have the free flow of words. It will always help you to have an excellent day-to-day dialogue. Bye for today.